A for apple. Apple means सेब. B for ball. Ball means गेंद. C for car. Car means car. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for egg. Egg means अंडा. F for fan. Fan means पंखा. G for goat. Goat means बकरी. H for horse. Horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jar. Jar means मर्तबान. K for king. King means बादशाह. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for notebook. Notebook means notebook. Copy. O for onion. Onion means प्याज. P for pen. Pen means कलम. Q for queen. Queen means मलका. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S for snake. Snake means सांप. T for tomato. Tomato means टमाटर. U for uniform. Uniform means वर्दी. V for van. Van means wagon. W for well. Well means कुआं. X for x-ray. X-ray means x-ray. Y for yolk. Yolk means अंडे की जर्दी. Z for zip. Zip means zip.